This video is going to be for the people who want to learn how to begin to structure their raps so you have more control over what you're doing. I've come across quite a few rappers this year that may have been putting out music, have tracks, recorded and all of this stuff, but they still don't know how to structure rap. They still don't know how to structure rap bars. And what this is going to do is this is going to hurt you in the long run because you're going to get stuck into your bad habits or however you're creating. Now, me as a coach, my job is to not really completely radically change your creative process because I want you to do the things that you are used to, but I don't want you guys to get so far deep into what you're doing without knowing the basics and the fundamentals of rapping. I'm pretty sure all of you guys have heard of the word bars, right? Now, when we speak about bars as rappers, we just simply thinking about it as lines of rap. If we look at this notebook paper and we look at each line represents a bar. This is how you should be structuring your rap lyrics, okay? If you have a sentence, a phrase, or a thought, that should be bar one. It should end with a rhyme. And then the next bar, bar two, it should be another sentence, phrase, or thought, and it should end with a corresponding rhyme to the first one. The easiest way to think about this is each bar ends with a rhyme. So if you got a song that you wrote and it doesn't have any structure, it doesn't have any bars and everything, then you just simply think of each bar ends where you rhymed it at. So where you rhyme, that's where you're going to press enter on your keyboard or your phone, and that's where the next line starts. Now, back in the day, old school, before we had our phones to write our raps on, this is what we wrote our raps on notebook paper. And a lot of us first started off by numbering our bars all the way to 16. Because a standard rap verse is going to have 16 bars. What this did was this helped us learn the basic structure of rap. And this basic structure is not only going to carry through your raps and your verses, it's going to carry through your choruses, your bridges, your hooks, and whatever you do in music, because typically everything is in fours. So say for instance, I wanted to start a rap and I said, my name is Coach. Tell the truth, I'm the dopest, right? And I end my bar or my sentence with dopest. Then my second bar needs to end with a rhyme to dopest. Now, I know you're going to say, hey, coach, some bars, they don't end with rhymes. Well, this is for the basics. We're talking about the basics. When we get into more advanced techniques, then we'll talk about that. But for now, the basics, you need to understand that each bar needs to end with a rhyme. If my first bar is my name is Coach, tell the truth, I'm the dopest. That's a sentence. That's a bar. It has a subject. It has a predicate. It's a complete thought. My second bar, I need to rhyme with dopest. My name is Coach, tell the truth, I'm the dopest. It don't matter who you bring, they ain't got the focus. All right? And so dopest, focus. Now I can go into my third line. Hey, if you enjoy this type of content and you want to go deeper in depth, I got the rest of this video as well as other videos touching on things from lyrics to melody to songwriting to rapping to rhyming and everything in between that you need to become not just a better rapper, but a better artist and a better songwriter. Join my Patreon today for free and you can get exclusive access to all of my content. Also, I have a private Discord, which you will also have exclusive access to. Also, if you would like to get a one-on-one call with me and you got a song you need feedback on, we've also got that in the Patreon too. The link is in the description. I want to think of a rhyme or I want to think of a bar and make sure that I rhyme with focus. My name is Coach, tell the truth, I'm the dopest. It don't matter who you bring, they ain't got the focus. To mess with me, I kill them out in the open. Dopest, focus, open. Once I have that rhyme, I'm going to move on to the fourth bar. My name is Coach, tell the truth, I'm the dopest. It don't matter who you bring, they ain't got focus. To mess with me, I kill them out in the open. Now, go tell cops you witness. Go tell the cops you witness this death row shit, all right? Focus, open, dopest, row shit. Now I have my 4 bars. Now I should be able to take that and bring it to a beat. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna start on the 1 for starters. My name is Coach, tell the truth, I'm the dopest. It don't matter who you bring, they ain't got the focus. To mess with me, I kill them out in the open. Now go tell the cops you witnessed this death row shit. Now you see how that sounds structured. It sounds polished. It sounds together. It doesn't sound all over the place. The reason for that is because we have structure. Now, when we talk about bars in a rap beat, we talk about bars in a rap verse, the same thing carries over to the beat. Each beat has bars in it.